Need legal fast, we burn a rubber man, the perfect match, meet us how you choose. Zoom, lawyer client, we could be of use. Legal reporting client giving tips to you. Outline silhouettes, ain't mediocre, give tips you bet. Like we playing poker, checked off. Keep you out the dark, throw it off the backboard, assistant like LeBron. Your legal needs are gone. Even when this guy comes calling, even when your claims ain't fine, I got faith in you. And let me stop. Thank you so much for joining us today. Welcome back. It is your favorite neighborhood lawyer, Markwell Cade with Trademark Law, back with another resource for you. Today, we're going to talk trademarks, specifically the 4 things that you need to do before registering your trademark. The first thing that you should do before registering your trademark is conduct a thorough conflict search. Now, conducting a thorough conflict search is just a fancy way of saying you want to check to make sure that your trademark isn't being used by any other companies. Before investing time and money into a brand name, conducting a comprehensive search to ensure that no other similar or identical trademarks exist can save you a lot of time and effort on the back end. This also minimizes the risk that your application is rejected due to the likelihood of confusion conflict. The likelihood of confusion conflict is the most common reason that trademarks are rejected by the USPTO. This means you want to make sure that your trademark does not conflict with a trademark that's already in use. The second thing that you want to do before registering your trademark is choose a strong mark. Now, we have an entire video on what makes a strong trademark, but generally speaking, to give you the quick rundown here, you want to choose a mark that isn't generic or descriptive in its term. You want to opt for a mark that's suggestive, arbitrary, fanciful, something that you created, something that is unique. Unique and memorable marks are easy to protect. The third thing that you want to do before registering your trademark is understand the different trademark classes. Trademarks are categorized into various classes based on the nature of goods or services that they represent. This means that you'll want to conduct research to figure out which category your trademark fits into. You want to make sure that you choose the appropriate class for your product or service to prevent any issues with your application later on. The fourth thing that you should do before registering your trademark is seek legal counsel. Now, this might seem like an obvious tip, but a lot of people try and go register trademarks on their own, only to find out later on, 6 to 8 months down the line, that there was a problem with their application and the USPTO needs more, and they issue what's called an office action. Seeking out legal counsel can help provide expert advice and steer you away from the potential pitfalls that you can come into contact with as you're going through the application process for your trademark. They can also ensure that the information in your application is comprehensive and correctly filled out. Seeking legal counsel is an important fourth step, even though it might seem like an obvious one. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been 4 things that you should do before registering your trademark. Once again, I am Markwell Cade with Trademark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers. Protect your brand, grow your business. Stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.